this is the room tour of our room. It's in Sunrise. The building is Pineapple. It's a garden view with a king size bed. Something I like that the bracelets here, it's also the key to your room, so that was very good. So right when you come in, you have this closet, and here, let's open. You have your safe, you have enough hangers, there's robes. Here's just to iron your stuff. We always carry our steamer, but I'll try it anyways to let you guys know how that is. Here, there's enough room for us to put all our carry-on things and some coffee. I love this, that they have a diffuser. And there's some waters and this here. And here, this is the fridge. My husband already took out a beer. He took the Dos Equis. That's something that we really like. And you can always put a little note for when they fill it up. Like, this is not something we normally drink, so we will send these back. And you can ask for the things that you want the most. And we usually leave a little note and a tip, and then they will just refill it with the things that you like, and they'll take away the things that you do not. There's also this liquor dispenser here. We have this area here with a complimentary wine bottle and 2 glasses. And then look at this tub, it's beautiful. There's some towels, we have slippers. And then this is the bed, it's a king size bed. And we have a bag. I didn't know they give bags here, but this is beautiful. It's fairly big. And there's an alarm clock. Anything that you need, you can just scan it there. You can order. It's empty. So this is the area of the bathroom. It's not that big, but I mean, we don't need that much space, so it's pretty decent. The lighting is really good though. So there's 2 big mirrors there, and these are the toiletries that they provide. You can ask for more things in the app. So they have all these things for the makeup, a shower cap, and cotton, and oh, that's pretty cool. Let's see what they have here. So this is a detox body balm and a soap. And then this mirror is pretty cool because you see how much you can focus. Then this is the bathroom here. I'm not sure about the shower. Okay, it's pretty spacious. So this is a shower, and they have chic products. So that's pretty cool. We'll try that and see how good that is. And they also have this soap here. I like the space that you can put whatever hair products and things you bring, which I always do. And they have towels here, towels here. So for the shower, the only thing is that it's just this. There's not like a separate shower to pull, so that I kind of don't like, but just what it is. And also, I forgot to show these. There's 4 extra drawers. I never use these drawers, but if you like using the drawers, they do have those. So there's 2 chairs, and there's a beautiful hammock. Now look at this view. This view is amazing. I love it. I think this is the thing I like the most. So you can see a little bit of the beach there. Right now, Cancun is getting hit with sargassum. It's really bad everywhere. So it's not their fault. There's a little smell, but that's everywhere in Cancun right now. So besides that, look at this. Thank you. Look at that, it's beautiful. Something I always do is I spray Lysol all over the bedding, like here, and then I spray, like I open this and I spray this before we go to dinner. So just a little tip, I like doing that. Over there in that area, like we're already all set up, so don't mind the mess. But I do that like all around the room. There's just, you never know who was here, and they clean and everything, but this just goes a long way. I also use it at the, like in the plane on my seat. I spray a little bit of that, And just to avoid, because a lot of people always say they get sick, but they don't take any like these little things into consideration. So that's just a tip. And there's just an extra pillow there because we bring our own pillows. So I like, this is like a very big headboard, and it's like a cloth. It's like a velvet material. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of this on that as well. So here they have a flat iron. It's the brand Chic. Open that to show you. And there's a hair dryer there as well. After we set everything, this is the only place to charge. So keep that in mind. We have of these, but there's not a whole lot of places to charge if you bring a lot of stuff. That's for the phone, what you need. So something to keep in mind. There's another one here by the door. So we have that. And then the one here at the sink. There's a double there. And for your hair dryer things. So that was the end of this video. I really love the room. It's beautiful, spacious, has everything we need. We do like spending time in the morning here, just admiring, having coffee, listening to the birds, which if you can hear that, the sound of nature is just priceless. Stay tuned because I will make a separate video of the spa. I will make a separate video of the entire overall resort view, and then a separate video of the beach, because we're planning on going on Sun Palace because it's supposed to be better. There will still be sargassum, but we're still planning to take a day trip, visit that property, and hopefully the beach is a little better, because from here it looks black. It looks really, really black. So that was it for this video. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. Just created this new Facebook group called All Inclusive Travel Talk. I would appreciate if you go follow. We're going to talk all about all inclusive resorts there.